What we're going to be doing today is making a spin off of the Bloody Mary. If you're not a vodka fan and you prefer tequila, this is the drink for you. We're just kind of out in the woods playing around, and we got camp all set up and ready to relax and enjoy ourselves, so let's make a drink.
Let's do it.
So Chad, the name of the drink that we're making today is called the Bloody Maria, which is the spin off of the Bloody Mary.
The Spanish version of the Bloody Mary.
The Spanish version, yeah. And it's made pretty much the same way a Bloody Mary is. It's just your drink of choice, whatever you guys prefer, and let's make one.
All right, let's get into it.
So how do we do this?
Yep, first ingredient, take the lime, and we're gonna rim the glass here, and we're gonna dip it in a little bit of the rock salt we got here.
Now that is some great stuff to have with you, because we've actually been able to use it in three of the beverages that we've made.
Yeah.
We made a Bloody Mary, the Bloody Maria's ugly brother, and then we also made a red beer, you know, for those morning beverages when you guys are just relaxing around camp and it's been a late night and it's time to, you know, just kind of get reacclimated.
Yes. So we're gonna add a little ice after we rim the glass. Next thing, we're gonna take a little bit of our nice spicy Bloody Mary mix. This is good stuff here.
That's the Kansas City Canning Company Bloody Mary mix, and it does have a little spice to it.
It does. 3 ounces of this stuff. All right, there's our Bloody Mary mix. Now we're gonna take a little bit of the tequila.
Jose Cuervo. You guys can use whatever flavor you prefer. I like the clear, but to each his own on this.
2 of those. All right, so now I'm gonna stir a little bit, get all those flavors mingling together.
Yeah, there we go.
And last but not least, stalk
put
of celery.
Some celery in it.
Make it look nice.
Or since this is the Spanish version, you can also drop a habanero in there.
Hey, that'll work.
If you're feeling up to it. Cheers, buddy.
Yeah.
Now, where can people come and get one of these?
Yeah, if you want to come to the Moore Expo in April, we're going to have the Overland Addict Recovery Room and Lounge. We'll be serving some drinks in that area, so yeah, come check it out. Get you a Bloody Maria.
That sounds like a blast.
Yeah.
Man, that's good.
Isn't it? I think I like this one better than the Bloody Mary. Cheers, guys.
Yeah, absolutely. Cheers.